Hello friends, welcome to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great just like me. First of all, I would like to say a very happy new year and a prosperous new year to all of you. And I will pray to God that each one of you get lots of prosperity, good luck and happiness in this new year. And this new year brings lot of opportunities and lot of success in your life. So guys, today I am back with another unboxing video. Few days back I had received a package from the brand Carepop. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of that package with you guys, and we'll find out what's in that package. So without wasting any time further, let's get started. So this is the package that I have received. Let's find out what is inside the package. Looks good, isn't it? What a wonderful way of packaging the masks. So I'll show you. These are the sheet masks. So I have received these two boxes of sheet mask. Each box contains 3 sheet masks. I'll show you. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sheet masks. And another also contains 3 sheet masks. 1, 2 and 3. So in total, I have received 6 sheet masks from the brand carepop. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you all the review and demo application of these sheet masks, and also I'll be letting you know the uses and benefits of applying these sheet masks on your skin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then don't forget to press the like button and do share this video amongst your family and friends, and share your love in the form of comments in the comment section below. I'll see you then in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Happy New Year once again to all of you, and keep smiling and keep following me. Till then, this is me, Priyankka Dadwal, saying ciao for now. Bye-bye.